Here's how to unlock your locking tuners. First, unwind the string by turning the tuning peg and reduce the tension until the string is slack. Make sure to loosen the string before unlocking to avoid any damage. Next, find the locking knob or screw on the back of the tuner and turn it counterclockwise to loosen. This releases the clamp that holds the string in place. Now once the tuner is unlocked, simply pull the string out of the post. Now do the same thing for the rest of the strings and you're done. Click on this link and I'll show you how to restring your guitar using locking tuners. Thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews, and until next time, happy tuning.